More to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope.
Anything abnormal? But in a drug trial, the human has a choice. The chimp has no choice.
You are correct. Chimpanzees do not have a choice to participate in medical research, and pigs do not have a choice to participate in the grinding up of sausage. These are animals. They are used by humans for the welfare of humans. No matter how much some people may wish it were so, chimpanzees are not people. They are chimpanzees.